Good morning students. Welcome to Alchemy online tutorials once again. So in the last class I have given you the homework for the seeing the video. I hope you have seen. If you have not seen, today we will see in this video. So yesterday we have learned about the maths rules. What is maths properties? There are total 4 properties. From that 4 properties we have already learned 2 properties. Okay, we have understood, we have remembered that property. What should we do? Now further, come let's take a look in a textbook of these 2 properties. Okay, now come let's read the property of addition. So as we understood the property number 1, whenever the sum of the two numbers remain the same, even if we change the order of the number. As I have given you the example, whether we plus 5 plus 2 or 2 plus 5, the answer will be same. As you can see here, there are two numbers 42 plus 31, and in the second example the number changes the place at the alternate places. First one is 31 plus 42. The answer is 73. So this one is the first property. Now moving forward we will read the second property. So in the second property we will read, while adding 3 or more numbers, the numbers can be grouped in any way. You can group the number in any manner, like first numbers, first plus third plus 2, in that order. Now here you can see the numbers are 66 plus 84 plus 60. So you can group like, for example, you can see here 66 plus 84 plus 60. In the second line, 84 plus 60 plus 66. In the third, again they have grouped in different way, 60 plus 66 plus 84. If you have grouped in any way, the answer will come always the same, which is 210. So this we have already understood, and I hope you have remember about this property. Now come, let's do forward on the board. First I will explain you property number 3 and 4. Afterward we will read that. After reading the property number 1 and 2 from the textbook, now come, let's I make you understood property number 3 and 4. Now what is the property number 3? Property number 3 of addition. Whenever you are having a number, single number or any number like 55, 56, if you have to add 1, what you will do? You will not add like 55 after 55 plus 1. No, just say the successor number. This property I will make you understood from the class 1 also, that whenever you have to plus 1, you don't have to plus 1, just write the after number. After number it means successor number. Any number you have to write. Suppose my number is 7 plus 1. So no need to count this on the finger. 7 in your mind, 7 plus 1. Just take your mind, use the property and write the successor number of 7. Means after number of 7. That is 8. Now this is about of single digit. Now we will move forward and take one more example of 2 digit. Suppose I am taking the biggest number 89. Okay. 89 plus 1. Now, what is the successor number of 89? Yes, 90. So, 90. Now, we have taken the example of 1 digit, 2 digit, now 3 digit. 100, tens and ones. 746 plus 1. So if we are doing the 7 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, 4, 4, if there is no number, the answer will be same. Okay, I will write here also 1 and here also 1. Suppose. So you don't have to think what is the this after number of 6. Just write down 7. Successor number of 4 is 5 and successor number of 7 is 8. Now suppose there is only 1 you have to plus. This we have plus 111. Each number we have plus the 1. But if I will say 842 plus 1 in this blank manner. So don't think, just say the successor number as fast as possible. 842 plus 1 is, what is the after number of 42? Yes, 43. So 843. So this is the property number 3, where you have to just add plus 1. Whenever you have to plus 1, you have to write the successor. No need to add on your fingers. Now come, let's learn about the property number 4, which is last property. The property number 4 is about whenever you have, in addition, whenever you have to add the 0, so the answer or the number will be same. Okay? Now see here. Like 251. Okay? And just I am putting 1 here. After 1, 2. Now here it is no number. Not 0 I have written. You have to just suppose that here it is 0. So 5 plus nothing is there. 5 plus 0 means 5. 2 plus 0 is 2. Suppose this is the property of 0. Whenever you are adding a number, adding a 0 in a number, the answer will remain the same. Property number 4 is whenever you are adding a 0 in a number, the answer will be same. Now once again we will take one more example of 276 plus 100. Okay. So now I have written the 0. 6 plus 0, answer will be 6. 7 plus 0, answer will be 7. The same number will be come down in addition. Whenever you are adding 0, the number will be remain the same. 2 plus 1, what is after number of 2? That is 3. Okay, so I hope you have understood this property. So I have explained you in the first standard also, that whenever you have to plus 1, go to the after number and write the successor number. After number or successor number, one and the same. And 0, this 0 property also you have learned in the first standard. The first and second property you have to understand and apply the most. After applying this and remembering this and understanding this property, now come, let's read third and fourth property from the textbook. Now property number 3 and property number 4, which is very easy, and this property you have learned. I make you learn in the first standard also, but we will make a recall of this. In property number 3, when we add 1 to a number, the sum is the successor of a number. This I have explained you from the starting of the first standard, as whenever you are adding one number to the any number, the answer is the after number. Now you can see here the example, the number is 87, right? So they have plus 1. The after number of 87 is 88. The after number is also called the successor number. Okay. Now property number 4. If we add 0 to any number, the sum is number itself. Whenever we are adding the 0 to a number, the answer will be same. Now for example, you can see 75 plus 0. The answer is 75. For an example, you can take another number also. 80 plus 0, the answer will be same. Whenever we are adding the 0, the answer always remain same. 6 marble given by your mother and your father has not given a single marble. So the addition from the father side is 0. Father has not given anything, but mother has given the 6 marble. So if we are not adding any number, the answer will remain the same. Whenever we are adding 0, means nothing we are adding, the number will be remain the same. The number will be itself the answer. So I hope from this activity you have understood it well. So I hope the property of this sums addition, property number 1, 2, 3, 4 is to be very clear for all. Now for the same, I will give you the homework for solving the properties of on the base of this property sum. So thank you students and have a nice